I'm Julia Ade from Worldsensing. Worldsensing is an IoT pioneer based in Barcelona. Our flagship product is the load sensing IoT wireless monitoring system, the ideal complement for geotechnical measurements and monitoring. We now have over 500 deployments, connecting more than 50,000 sensors in over 60 countries. We are proud to launch here at INTERGEO our laser distance meter node, the newest load sensing wireless sensor with a radio range of up to 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles in a tunnel. It enables precise, real-time and remote distance measurements of tunnel convergences, deformations and underground excavations, landslides and slope movements without work disruptions. If you would like to know more, just email us at connect@worldsensing.com or send us a message on LinkedIn, Twitter or Facebook. Thank you and vielen Dank.